Next question is regarding Global Intellectual Property (GIP). Global Intellectual Property Index, recently heard in the news, is associated with which of the following associations? US Chamber of Commerce, International Monetary Fund, World Intellectual Property Organization (WIPO), World Economic Forum (WEF). Now, intellectual property, the name, we may have a confusion about World Intellectual Property Organization. No, they are having their own many other World Intellectual Property report, etc. So that is different. This is different. Global Intellectual Property Index is being released by US Chamber of Commerce, not by WIPO. Other two options we can easily eliminate. The chances we have to take is A and C. But if we know some of the reports by WIPO, then we can easily go to US Chamber of Commerce. So answer is A here. Anyway, let's have a look. Recently, it was released by US Chamber of Commerce. India was ranked 44th out of the 50 countries, very backward. And in the International Intellectual Property Index released by the US Chamber of Commerce. The index was released as part of the annual report prepared by the Global Innovation Policy Center. So, Global Innovation Policy Center is a wing of US Chamber of Commerce. They do the study, they do the research and analyze all the statistics, and they release the index where India was ranked 44th out of 50. And see the report analysis. What is IP climate? We know all the scenarios of IP climate, intellectual property. India is very lagging behind compared to US, UK, Germany, France and all other European countries where they have lots of patent regulations. Countries like US, Germany, UK, they have strict IP policies, they have strict regulations. That means to get into or to acquire a patent is difficult as India is, but still US and UK are having most number of patent registrations throughout the year. Why? Why India is also having the same kind of regulations, regulatory methods, standards, etc. say similar to US. We can say that the regulatory measures, the standards, etc. of Indian patent system is liberal compared to US, but still India is lagging behind many IP registrations. Why is India lagging behind? What is the problem? Why? Because our entrepreneurship scenario is not up to the mark. We have to increase our the IP industries. We have to make more schemes to gather all the new innovations. That means, see, number of IP or number of patents means new inventions or new innovations. That is what they get patents. US, UK, France, etc. They gain more numbers of patents throughout the year. That is why these kind of countries always top the list. So India has to reach that much. We are trying many things. We are trying many schemes are there. Flagship schemes are there under Ministry of Skill Development or Ministry of Commerce, Corporate Affairs, etc. So anyways, the report analyzes IP climate in 50 world economies based on 40 unique indicators that benchmark activity critical to innovation development, surround patent, copyright, trademark and trade secrets protection. So these are the areas where we are lagging. So all around we are lagging in almost all of the 40 indicators. That is why we are almost back of the list. So to improve our IP climate, into intellectual property climate, we have to improve all these areas. See, innovations is there, patents around, copyright, trademark, the development of new technologies, innovative technologies, etc. So that is how we can increase the number of patents. So this year's this year's 2018 global intellectual property index was very wide. Actually, 90% of the global gross domestic product were covered, and 7 new economies were also added. That means they have widened their reach to more economies. That is what. And the new economies that were added is Egypt, Hungary, Kenya, Pakistan is the newest one added, Philippines, Saudi Arabia and Spain. And India scored a Miagre of 8.75 out of 35 points. See, just 1/4 less than that, falling significantly behind the median score of 15.39. The top countries were US, UK, Germany, Japan, Sweden, France, Switzerland, Singapore, South Korea and Italy. So no Nordic countries in the top. US, UK, Germany is a 1, 2, 3 positions. So the answer here is US Chamber of Commerce.